I think she's here.
Mehrina. I don't think so. She has.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba.
Jai Meher Baba. Mehrina.
Jai Baba.
Yes, Jai Baba.
Jai Meher Baba.
Yeah.
I'm going to give introduction about you. I was talking about you, Mehrina. She's my kid sister. I always say, and our, I told you, no, the singing is in our blood because our father Kishore Mestri, our mother Rajni, and our sister-in-law Vaishali, all are singers. And in fact, our grandfather Nene is also a very good singer. Nene's sister Shushila auntie, she's a great singer. And Shushila auntie's husband Rustum Kaka is a Baba's courtyard singer. And no, I always rate Rustum Kaka above all these singers. So we are very fortunate. I request Mehervina to perform all Huma songs. And my own request is you should sing one Telugu song.
Oh. I'll try my best, Merchant, because it's been years. I haven't.
Try. You should try for your elder brother, at least for your elder brother's sake.
Of course.
Yeah, her son is also next to her. Mihir.
My son, Mihir.
Yeah, I know Mihir. Yeah. Yeah.
Wonderful to hear your story, Mehervina. Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, I can say that ours has been a very, very fortunate family, I can say, because it's like my grandmother, she had the big fortune to listen Baba singing. She had heard Baba singing when she was a child. And yeah, we have Baba's blessings from my great-grandfathers since my great-grandmother's time. And Baba has been taking care of the entire family. In fact, my mom and dad's wedding was fixed in front of Baba by Baba putting their hands in each other's hand and saying, "My nazar is in on you and your family." So yes, we are blessed enough that I'm born and brought up in the Meher Baba family. So, yeah, I was in fact I wanted to sing the song that my mom had sung in front of Baba because she had a very, very soft voice. And she used to sing in Guru Prasad in the Bhajan Mandali, but Baba never got he couldn't hear her properly because she had a very soft voice. So it so happened that Baba specially invited her in a very small room at Guru Prasad and kept her singing at Guru Prasad. And that was the time when she sang a Mirabai Bhajan for Baba. So today, basically, it's a mixed presentation that I'll be doing.
Wonderful.
And, thanks, Angela, and thank you all of you for inviting me over here on this platform. It's a great honor.
I think the honor is all ours.
She's a very good homeopathic doctor, and she's a very good doctor.
Merchant is on and on.
Our mother, father, both are singers and they performed before Baba. And Kishore is a part of Madhusudan Bhajan, Madhusudan Bhajan Mandali. And our grandmother, grandfather is also a very great singer, Nene. And Nene's sister Shushila, she is the wife of Rustum Kaka. Both are. Rustum Kaka is the courtyard singer of Baba. He used to sing very highly classical bhajans. And Mehervina's sister-in-law, Vaishali, she also sings. She's a very good singer. And Vaishali's father, Thade, Narendra Thade, he is also Purna Bhajan Mandali member and also singer. And
I think Vaishali has performed over here. I think so.
Yeah, for Vaishali performed here.
Yeah.
And our brother is a chartered accountant, we call certified accountant, and he's also Meher Kumar. His name is Meher Kumar. And one sister is Shobha. She is a very dynamic young lady. She was been working for Baba's volunteer for Amartiti for past 35 years.
Oh.
But she's in short in look, but very tough to handle her.
So the name of my series is Huma.
Oh.
Yeah.
Huma.
Yeah. And it has 14 ghazals of Huma. Of course, Huma, like Baba used the pen name as Huma, the ghazals that he wrote. So right now, I don't know. I mean, I myself don't have any extra CDs with me, but I can definitely find out if you wish to have one. Because I had gifted few CDs to the Sufis. So Walker from one of the Sufis, he has a copy of my CD. So if you need a copy of that, then he can make one and send it across to you.
No, Mervina, don't worry. I'll try to locate it and send it to Angela.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
yeah. Hey, your brother is there, yeah, don't worry.
Oh, yes. So, should we start? It's already 8:30. Yes,
Yes,
Angela?
that's true. I can't believe the time.
Yeah.
Avtar
So,
Meher
Avtar.
Baba Ki Jai. So I'm just going to mute all, and if Meher Vinay, if you would unmute. So I'd like to welcome everyone to the Circle of Friends. We're so honored to welcome Mehervina Ragnakar to sing for us and her son. I didn't catch your name, I'm sorry. And we're just so excited. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Angela. Finally, I have made it today, in spite of several, requests. But unfortunately, some or the other thing used to come up. So I will give my best today, and hope the purpose of this today's presentation, today's concert is served. And that is, I hope you all feel Baba's love and presence today with my presentation. So today with me, my son Mihir is going to accompany me on guitar. So today I'll be presenting, it's going to be a mixed presentation, 3 Huma songs, one Mirabai Bhajan, and 2 ghazals of 2 poets whom Baba loved the most. One is Simab, and you all must be knowing the whole story about Simab. But yes, I'll give it in brief. I'll say it in brief, the story of Simab. And another one is of Jigar Muradabadi. That is yet another poet that Baba loved. So these are the 6 songs that I have decided. But yes, now Meherchand has come up with one more song. So let's see how time, provided time permits. Yes, I would definitely like to. Avtar Meher Baba Ki Jai. So the first presentation is of Huma. Om Tu Paramatma Tu. You are Om. You are Paramatma. You are Ram. You are Bhagwan. You are God, Allah, Ahur Mazda, and Brahma and Yazdan. You are the creator of this world. You are the protector. You are everywhere, and you are the only one. The whole universe has come out of you. The nature is your symbol. You are in everything. You are the unseen one. The whole world has come out of you. You are this earth, the universe, the sky. You are the sun. You are the 7 heavens. You are the shining moon. You are the master, the king, the slave, and you are God. You are love and separation. You are union. You are the vision. You are the beloved, the soul, and the lover. You are without form and without colors. And all colors have come out of you. Your face is like the heavenly angel. You are independent and you are the slave. I am searching for you, O God. Why can't I find you? Have mercy on me and bring about union. Oh, you are the merciful one. You are the avatar, O Sadguru Upasni Maharaj. So have mercy and help Meherwan in knowing God. Om Tu परमात्मा तू, राम तू भगवान तू, गॉड तू अल्लाह मस्त, ब्रह्म तू यजदान तू, तू जगत करता पिता तू, तू ही पालनहार है, मालिके हर दो जहां तू, एक तू यकसान तू, तुझसे पैदा सारी हस्ती, तुझसे कुदरत का निशान, हाजिर है हर शे में यकसा, आज नजर पिनहान तू, तुझसे कुल खते है पैदा, तू जमीनों तू ज़मान, आसमान खुर्शीद तू ही, कब के तू मेहतबान तू, हुक्म तो हाकिम तू ही, महकूम भी तू था खुदा, तू ही मालिक तू ही नौकर, तू गदा सुल्तान तू, इश्क तू फुरकत भी तू है, वस्ल तू दीदार भी, तू सनम आशिक तो ही है, जान तू जानान तू, तू है निराकार बेरंग, तुझसे सब रंग आशिकार, तू बशर जिन्नों परी तू, हूर तू गुलमान तू, ढूंढता हूँ तुझको या रब, क्यों नहीं मिलता मुझे, फजल करके वस्ल दे तू, रहम कर रहमान तू, सद्गुरु उपासनी महाराज तू, अवतार तू, मेहर करके मेहरबान को, रब की दे पहचान तू। So presenting the next song, which is again of Huma. O Master Upasni Maharaj, you are the holy beloved. Your love is divine. You did not take food, nor did you sleep, till you saw Ram. O Master Upasni Maharaj, you became beloved God. You became the lowest among the lowly and rised above all. O Master Upasni Maharaj, your state is unique. Your face is of Allah. You are Ram personified and the image of bright light of God. You are the avatar of God. You are the Lord of every house. O Master Upasni Maharaj, you are the emperor of the two worlds. Huma is in love with you and becoming your beggar begs you for your love. O Master Upasni Maharaj. Guru Upasni Maharaj, tu hai mehboobi suhabani. Guru Upasni Maharaj, tera hai ishq-e haqqani. Guru Upasni Maharaj, tu hai mehboobi suhabani. Guru Upasni Maharaj. न खाया तू न सोया तू न जब तक राम पाया तू। न खाया तू न सोया तू न जब तक राम पाया तू। न जब तक राम पाया तू। हुआ मकबूली यजदानी। गुरु उपासनी बनाए अदना बेहतर तू माफे सबसे बेहतर तू माफे सबसे बेहतर तू। रमाइक तोरी लासानी। गुरु उपासनी तू है अल्लाह की सूरत। तू है राम की मूरत। तू है राम की मूरत। तू है तस्वीरे नूरहानी। गुरु उपासनी तू है अवतार ईश्वर का। तू है मालिक घरों घर का। तू है मालिक घरों घर का। तू जहाँ में तेरी सुल्तानी। गुरु उपासनी तुझ पर फिदा बन गए कहीं तेरा गदा बन गए उमा तुझ पर फिदा बन गए कहीं तेरा गदा बन गए कहीं तेरा गदा बन गए मुझे दे प्रेम भगवानी गुरु उपासनी महाराज तू है महबूबे सुहावानी गुरु उपासनी महाराज गुरु उपासनी महाराज गुरु उपासनी Okay, so the next song that I'll be presenting is a Mirabai Bhajan. The entire world is filthy and full of thorns. Nobody understands or recognizes the pain. Pangs of separation are felt in my heart. Without Hari, Krishna, all the pleasures are non-existent. This song, composed by Sant Mirabai, is a depiction of her sufferings out of the pangs of separation from her beloved Lord Krishna. The seeker is longing for the union with the beloved, rendering her to crave for the darshan of her beloved. Neither Hari, beloved Krishna, arrives, nor there is any message about his arrival. Suffering from the pangs of separation, these two eyes keep raining tears incessantly like waters flowing in the river. There is nothing that the seeker can do, and everything depends on the wish of the beloved, whether he wants to give darshan. I am at loss to know as to what to do. If I had wings, then I would have flown to him. O beloved, when will you come to meet me? I am longing to catch hold of your daman forever. सब जग कोड़ो कंटक दुनिया दर्द न कोई पिछाड़े बिरह करत उरी अंतरी माही हरि बिन सब सुख काणे हो हरि बिन सब सुख काणे हो कोई कहियो रे प्रभु आवन की मन भावन की आवन की मन भावन की कोई कहियो रे प्रभु आवन की मन भावन की आवन की मन भावन की वे नहीं आवे लिख नहीं भेजे वे नहीं आवे वे नहीं आवे वे नहीं आवे लिख नहीं भेजे वान परी लन चावन की ये दो नैना कहा नहीं माने ये दो नैना कहा नहीं माने नदियाँ बहे जैसे सावन की नदियाँ बहे जैसे सावन की कोई कहियो रे प्रभु आवन की मन भावन की आवन की मन भावन की से कहूँ कछु बस नहीं मेरो काहे करूँ कछु बस नहीं मेरो पंख नहीं उड़ जावन की पंख नहीं उड़ जावन की मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर चेरी भई तोरी दामन की चेरी भई तोरे दामन की चेरी भई तोरे दामन की कोई कहियो रे प्रभु आवन की मन भावन की आवन की मन भावन की मन भावन की मन भावन की Now the next song is a ghazal by Jigar Muradabadi, was one of Baba's favorite poets. So I will read the translation of the ghazal. साकी की हर निगाह पे बलखा के पी गया, लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया. Dancing to every glance of the wine giver, the look I drank while playing with waves, I drank playfully, feeling ecstatic. बेकैफियों के कैफ से घबरा के पी गया, तौबा को तोड़ ताड़ के थर्रा के पी गया. Fearing the pleasures of those normal folks, that is, without intoxication, I drank. Disregarding, breaking the repentance, I trembled and drank. जाहिद ये तेरी शौक ये रिंदा ना देखना, रहमत को बातों बातों में बहला के पी गया. O devout, virtuous, do not see my mischief of drunkenness. By begging for mercy, befriending the forgiveness of God, again and again I drank. सर मस्ती ए अजल मुझे जब याद आ गई, दुनिया ए एतबार को ठुकरा के पी गया. When I recall my endless intoxication, I gave up my faith in this world and drank. आजुर्दगी एक खातिरे साकी को देखकर मुझको ये शर्म आई कि शर्मा के पी गया. Observing the unhappiness of the wine giver, unhappy due to things not happening as expected, I felt ashamed, embarrassed, and I drank out of shame. ए रहमते तमाम मेरी हर खता मुआफ, मैं इंतहाए शौक में घबरा के पी गया. O Lord, show mercy on me and forgive all my sins, wrongdoings. The extreme pleasure made me jittery and I drank. पीता बगैर इज़्न ये कब थी मेरी मजाल, दर पर्दा चश्मे यार की शह पा के पी गया. That I would drink without prerogative, privilege, but when did I have such courage? With the acquiescence, consent or acceptance of my lover's veiled eyes, I drank. उस जाने मैं कदा की कसम बारहा जिगर, कुल आलमे बसित पे मैं छा के पी गया. Swearing by that spirit of tavern many times, Jigar proclaims that by overgrowing the entire vast extensive world, I drank. घबरा के पी गया. साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया. साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया. लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया. साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया. बेकैफियों के कैफ से घबरा के पी गया. बेकैफियों के कैफ से घबरा के पी गया. घबरा के पी गया. तौबा को तोड़ ताड़ के थर्रा के पी गया. तौबा को तोड़ ताड़ के थर्रा के पी गया. जाहिदी मेरी शौकी रिंदा न देखना, रिंदा न देखना, जाहिदी मेरी शौकी रिंदा न देखना। रहमत को बातों बातों में बहला के पी गया, रहमत को बातों बातों में बहला के पी गया। कल मस्ती अजल मुझे जब याद आ गया, कल मस्ती अजल मुझे जब याद आ गया, जब याद आ गया। दुनिया एतबार को ठुकरा के पी गया, दुनिया एतबार को ठुकरा के पी गया। पीता बगैर इजनी कब भी मेरी मजाल, कब भी मेरी मजाल, पीता बगैर इजनी कब भी मेरी मजाल। दर पर्दा चश्मे यार की शह पाके पी गया, दर पर्दा चश्मे यार की शह पाके पी गया। उस जान में कदा की कसम बारहा जिगर, उस जान में कदा की कसम बारहा जिगर, बारहा जिगर। कुल आलमी बसित पे मैं छाके पी गया, कुल आलमी बसित पे मैं छाके पी गया। लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया, साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया, साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया। All right, so we proceed further with the next ghazal, that is अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे। This ghazal is written by Simab. अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे मिलने से क्या मिला is a deeply touching composition of Simab Akbarabadi. The meaning of the word Simab is Mercury. Just as Mercury does not settle on the palm, Simab's life too was deeply unsettled. He endured immense hardships and pain in his search for the beloved. This ghazal was sung before beloved Baba in the 1958 Sahbaz at Mehrabad. Midway through the singing, Baba stopped the singer and gestured before the audience that he had liberated Simab from the maze of illusion. I'm reading the translation of the ghazal. The attainments of love are so overwhelming. What can I say about them? What can I say of having met you in my life? It made me cognizant of the existence of my own heart and the manifestation of the tender anguish within. For the first time, my own existence was in a way proved to me. During my journeys of search, when I found the imprints of your feet, that was the culmination of all my searches. I found my destinations attained, my ambitions realized, and my petitions, entreaties accepted. Why aspirants searching for God are unsuccessful or unlucky? When I transgressed my boundaries, limitations, I met the Lord. For all his life, no one did ever see Seemab. The poet refers to self in a state of happiness, flourishing. Whenever chanced upon, the unfortunate wretch was always accompanied by unhappiness. क्यों ये खुदा के ढूंढने वाले हैं नामुराद गुजरा जो मैं हुदूद से खुद ही से खुदा मिला खुदा मिला अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे मिलने से क्या मिला अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे मिलने से क्या मिला अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे मिलने से क्या मिला अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे मिलने से क्या मिला अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे मिलने से क्या मिला इरफान गम मुझे इरफान गम मुझे दिल का पता मिला इरफान गम मुझे मंजिल मिली मुराद मिली मुद्दुआ मिला मंजिल मिली मुराद मिली मुद्दुआ मिला मंजिल मिली मुराद मिली मुद्दुआ मिला सब कुछ मुझे मिला जो सब कुछ मुझे मिला जो तेरा नक्श मिला सब कुछ मुझे मिला जो तेरा नक्श मिला खुद बीनो खुद शनास मिला खुद नुमा मिला खुद भी ना खुद शनास मिला, खुद नुमा मिला, खुद भी ना खुद शनास मिला, खुद नुमा मिला। इंसान के भेस में मुझे, इंसान के भेस में मुझे अक्सर खुदा मिला। इंसान के भेस में मुझे सीमाब को शगुफ्त न देखा तमाम उम्र। सीमाब को शगुफ्त न देखा तमाम उम्र। सीमाब को शगुफ्त न देखा तमाम उम्र। कम वक्त जब मिला हमें, कम वक्त जब मिला हमें, हम आशना मिला। कम वक्त जब मिला हमें, हम आशना मिला। अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे मिलने से क्या मिला। मेरे फाने गवा मुझे दिल का पता मिला। अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे इंसान के भेस में मुझे अक्सर खुदा मिला। There was one more request from Homi Irani. He had requested one ghazal. So I'll just sing that ghazal for him. Homida, that's for you. I don't have the translation of this ghazal because this was at the last moment. So I'll just try my best to give you a gist of the ghazal. तोड़ना टूटे हुए दिल का बुरा होता है, जिसका कोई नहीं उसका खुदा होता है. Breaking of the broken heart is bad. The one who doesn't have anybody in this world, God is always with him. People are not bad. It is the time that is bad. क्यों मुनीर अपनी तबाही पे ये कैसा शिकवा? Why should we complain on this disaster in our life? Whatever we were destined for will happen. So the Shaiar's name is Munir. So all that he wants to convey is just hold on to God. He is the only truth. Kisu Shana say, okay, after this ghazal. तोड़ना टूटे हुए दिल का बुरा होता है तोड़ना टूटे हुए दिल का, बुरा होता है जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा होता है, तोड़ना टूटे हुए दिल का, बुरा होता है। मांग कर तुमसे खुशी लूं मुझे मंजूर नहीं, मांग कर तुमसे खुशी लूं मुझे मंजूर नहीं, किसका मांगी हुई दौलत से भला होता है, किसका मांगी हुई दौलत से भला होता है, जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा होता है, तोड़ना टूटे हुए दिल का, बुरा होता है। लोग नाहक किसी मजबूर को कहते बुरा, लोग नाहक किसी मजबूर को कहते बुरा, आदमी अच्छे हैं पर वक्त बुरा होता है, आदमी अच्छे हैं पर वक्त बुरा होता है, जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा होता है, तोड़ना टूटे हुए दिल का, बुरा होता है। क्यों मुनीर अपनी तबाही पे कैसा शिकवा, क्यों मुनीर अपनी तबाही पे कैसा शिकवा, जितना तकदीर में लिखा है अदा होता है, जितना तकदीर में लिखा है अदा होता है, जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा होता है, तोड़ना टूटे हुए दिल का, बुरा होता है। There was this request from Meher Chand he wanted me to sing a Telugu song. So we conclude this program with a Telugu song. The gist of the song is just love everyone. सर्वोन्नतने शरणनि नम्मिन् प्रेमे प्रेमा सर्वार्पणतो सन्निधि चेरिन प्रेमे प्रेमा सर्वोन्नतने शरणनि नम्मिन् प्रेमे प्रेमा सर्वार्पणतो सन्निधि चेरिन प्रेमे प्रेमा प्रियतम इच्छतु बद्धु निगामन प्रेमे प्रेमा ताननु गर्वं वीडि मिहिरनु प्रेमे प्रेमा प्रेमिंచుట లక్షణమై నిలిచిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా ప్రేమించుటలో త్యాగము చూపిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా ప్రేమతో మానవ సేవను చేసిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా ప్రేమ జీవనము గడిపి తరించిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా మానవ సేవే లక్ష్యముగా గల ప్రేమే ప్రేమా మాధవుని సేవించితినను కొను ప్రేమే ప్రేమా మరువక మేరుని స్మరణములో మను ప్రేమే ప్రేమా ఆర్ద్రతతో సన్నిధికి గపడు ప్రేమే ప్రేమా కామరహిత ఆరాధన చేసిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా హృదయములో ఆ మూర్తిని నిలిపిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా గురుతర బాధ్యతని గ్రహించిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా గురు వచనము జీవనమై నడిచిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా గురు సాయుధ్యము పొంది తరించు ప్రేమే ప్రేమా మానవులకు ఆదర్శప్రాయము ప్రేమే ప్రేమా ప్రేమ కోసమే జీవించిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా ప్రేమ కోసమే మరణించిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా సర్వోన్నతుని శరణని నమ్మిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా సర్వార్పణతో సన్నిధి చేరిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా సర్వార్పణతో సన్నిధి చేరిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా సర్వార్పణతో సన్నిధి చేరిన ప్రేమే ప్రేమా अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय Thank you Angela, thank you so much, thank you everyone. Okay, for this ghazal I really don't have the translation, and so I'll just sing, you just enjoy the melody. This was a ghazal written by Khak Sahib, who was again a very close disciple of beloved Baba. किस शान से महफिल में आया तेरा दीवाना, किस शान से महफिल में आया तेरा दीवाना। एक हाथ में शीशा है, एक हाथ में शीशा है, एक हाथ में पैमाना, किस शान से महफिल में आया तेरा दीवाना। यकसा है उसे दोनों बस्ती हो के वीराना, यकसा यकसा है उसे दोनों बस्ती हो के वीराना। बेफिक्र है दुनिया से, बेफिक्र है दुनिया से, अक्सर तेरा दीवाना, किस शान से महफिल में आया तेरा दीवाना। एक आग नुमाया है, एक आग है पोशीदा, एक आग नुमाया है, नुमाया है, एक आग नुमाया है, एक आग है पोशीदा, कुछ फर्क नहीं इनमें, शम्मा की परवाना, किस शान से महफिल में आया तेरा दीवाना। खाक अपनी ही हस्ती के आईने में देखो उसको, खाक अपनी ही हस्ती के आईने में देखो उसको, वो तेरे करीब है, वो तेरे करीब है, तू जिससे है बेगाना, किस शान से महफिल में आया तेरा दीवाना। एक हाथ में शीशा है, एक हाथ में पैमाना, किस शान से महफिल में आया तेरा दीवाना। If we have time, then I can sing one more song of Huma. Okay. I'll just read out the translation. O ocean of truth, Lord of love, Sadguru, make diamond out of stone, O Sadguru. Still I'm bound by worldly attachments. Relieve me from worldly illusion, O Sadguru. Always my eyes look for you. Give me your divine darshan, O Sadguru. As soon as possible, with your divine blessings, best of God realization, destroy all the doubts, O Sadguru. How would your intellectuals fathom the bliss of being intoxicated in His love? Make me God intoxicated, mad, O Sadguru. The boat of my existence is sailing on the ocean of illusion. Drown me in the ocean of love, O Sadguru. Why is the teacher away from the disciple? Let me be seated at your feet, O Sadguru. If you are the incarnation of God, make me united with the Lord. In separation, I drank blood as if wine. Let me drink a cup of union, O Sadguru. Huma said, bowing his head on the ground, call me unto you soon, O Sadguru. बहरे हक इश्के खुदा के सद्गुरु संग में ही राजमा दे सद्गुरु बहरे हक इश्के खुदा के सद्गुरु संग में ही राजमा दे सद्गुरु मुक्ति लाहिर सोहवा में अब तक हूँ जग की माया से छुड़ा दे सद्गुरु आपकी सूरत पर हरदम चश्मे है जल्द खुद दर्शन दिखा दे सद्गुरु कर करामत से मशरक की नजर शक मेरे दिल का मिटा दे सद्गुरु आकिलों को लज्जत-ए मस्ती कहाँ मुझको दीवाना बना दे सद्गुरु किश्ती हस्ती की है फानी बहर में इश्की दरिया में डुबा दे सद्गुरु दूर शागिर से रहे उस्ताद क्यों पास कदमों के बिठा दे सद्गुरु गर तू ही अवतार है भगवान का राम से मुझको मिला दे सद्गुरु खून फुरकत में पी पिया करके शराब, वस्ल का प्याला पिला दे सद्गुरु। खाक पर हो मान सर रख कर कहाँ, जुद अपने दर बुला दे सद्गुरु। बहरे हक इश्क़े खुदा के सद्गुरु, संग में ही राजमा दे सद्गुरु। 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 So this is Aarti of Beloved Baba. So hopefully we'll be concluding after this. जहाँ कल्पना शब्द न पहुँचे, ऐसे अपरंपार नीति नीति वेद पुकारी, महिमा तोरी अपार। दिव्य सनातन परम दया घन, दिव्य सनातन परम दया घन, ये जगत उद्धारो मिहिर मन, आरती स्वीकारो मिहिर मन, आरती स्वीकारो। धूप दीप चंदन चर्चाना, भोग लगाना फूल चढ़ाना, तुम्हारा ही तुमको लौटाना। काहे बढ़ाई करो मिहिर मन, आरती स्वीकारो मिहिर मन, आरती स्वीकारो। सकल निधि के तुम कारण हो, सकल विश्वता ऋण हारे हो, तुम समार नहीं तुम ही हो। हे सत अवतारो मिहिर मन, आरती स्वीकारो मिहिर मन, आरती स्वीकारो। सकल चराचर तुम्हारी माया, माया भी तो तुम्हारी छाया, तुम्हारा अंकन कोई पाया। तुम हो अनंत करो मिहिर मन, आरती स्वीकारो मिहिर मन, आरती स्वीकारो। अपने को जब जो नहीं जाने, महिमा तुम्हारी क्या पहचान। कुछ भी कहते अनजाने, गुण गाते तुमरो मेहर मन, आरती स्वीकारो मेहर मन, आरती स्वीकारो। सीमा नाही तुम्हारी कृपा को, क्या कोई दे सकता प्रभु तुमको, भीख तुम्ही ना प्रेमी जनों को, नित्य तुम्हें सुमरो मेहर मन, आरती स्वीकारो मेहर मन, आरती स्वीकारो। दिव्य सनातन परम दयाघन, दिव्य सनातन परम दयाघन, हे जगदुधारो मेहर मन, आरती स्वीकारो मेहर मन, आरती स्वीकारो। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। Thank you so much. Thank you, Baba.
Wow, so beautiful. Jai Baba. Avatar Meher Baba.
Avatar Meher Baba ki
Baba
Avatar Meher
Avatar
Baba
Meher
ki
Baba ki
Jai.
jai.
Avatar Meher Baba
Meher
ki
Baba.
Jai.
As I said before, like, I'm very, very blessed and fortunate to be born in this family. My parents, Kishore Mistry and Rajini Mistry, they have sown a seed of Baba's, beloved Baba's love in our heart. And it's been quite a journey. And today, in fact, the whole family is into Baba. And what can I say about my father and my mother? They have actually dedicated their entire life in service of beloved Baba by singing their bhajans and offering. And my father was the secretary of the first secretary of the Bombay Center, and till he passed away on 7th January 2005. Till then, he continued to offer his services. In fact, in his last moments, he was on his way to Meherabad when he got the stroke. So, and beloved Baba took care of it. And in fact, today, one of the two ghazals, in fact, which I sang were my father's favorite. So I'm so glad that Baba made me sing those ghazals. And my mother, what we can say, she's having a, like an outstanding voice, a very sweet voice, which beloved Baba himself wanted to listen to her voice. And that's how he had called her in Guru Prasad in a very small room, since she had a very soft voice. And she sang a beautiful bhajan of Mirabai. But she was so afraid, like she was very scared. So when she started singing the first line, she went wrong and Baba stopped her and he said, "What are you singing?" So she said that, "Baba, I'm sorry, but I'm scared." So that time Baba said, "Don't be scared of the world. Be scared of the world, but don't be scared of me. Now you sing." And with that love gesture of Baba, and then she sang so beautifully. And I can say that no one else in our family can sing the way she sings. And she has been singing most of the songs that Rustam Kaka used to sing. And she used to sing so beautifully. In fact, all her songs, years back, my brother Meher Kumar, he has done her recordings at home, and all those songs are available on YouTube. And because, as I said earlier, that now she's suffering from Alzheimer's and she's bedridden almost, but still, all that she remembers is beloved Baba, his name, and all the bhajans that she sang for him. That includes the arati and the prayer. And she says, and she still says it and sings it flawlessly, even though because of her age, she may not be in sync with the rhythm and all, but still she remembers those small places when we sing, the tana and the alaps that we take. She still remembers, and she all that she remembers is Baba. And in fact, that's what Baba wants us all. Baba wants us all to just remember him and him only.
How do we find those songs on YouTube? What's the keyword?
It's available on Macro Mihir. That's my son's channel.
Okay.
Macro Mihir, MACROMIHIR. So if you can search for Macro Mihir, you can get all the bhajans. There are 2 volumes, and for your convenience, yeah, that's right. For your convenience, Mihir has also put the lyrics of all the bhajans. So you will get the original Madhusudan and Bhau Kalchuri's bhajans which she has sung. So you will get all the original tunes. So yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Beautiful.
Veena, you forgot to tell about your father, that
Yeah.
he worked for the trust and he used to assist Adike Irani, and also he worked as a registration for pilgrims registration right from 1970 to 2005.
Yeah, and for
Yeah.
a year or so, he was serving the trust office at Meherabad, and that's how my elder sister Meher Shobha was born over there. In fact, another thing that I would like to share is that when my brother was born, my father got a telegram from Baba saying that name this child as Meher Kumar, and he explained the meaning of the name. Meher Kumar is son of sun, and that's how Baba himself had kept his name. And then my sister, since she was born in Meherabad, Ahmednagar, so her name was given to her by the women Mandali, Mani Auntie and Mehra Maigdi. They all, gave her name, and my name was given to me by my father. So, and I think indeed it has come out to be true. Meher Veena. Veena is an Indian musical instrument. So yes, Meher Veena. You can connect it that way. So, and I mean, there are so many things, so many stories about my father, my mother. I mean, the time is very short. Maybe some other time where I can do the sharing of her stories as well as my father's stories and the time they have spent with beloved Baba and his Mandali and the kind of work that they have done. So yeah.
नेने साहब के बारे में भी थोड़ा बताओ ना, ग्रैंडफादर के बारे में. Grandfather and Sushila auntie and Rustum kaka. 2 minutes, 2 minutes only. I won't trouble you.
Grandfather, I mean, that is my
mother's father, Nene Sahab.
Actually, my mother's mother, that's my grandmother, right from her childhood, as I said, that, they were into Baba and they used to stay at Ahmednagar itself. Their childhood has been in Ahmednagar. So that's how they came in touch with beloved Baba. There's a long story behind how they were in touch with beloved Baba and came in contact with Baba. But yes, after getting married, my grandfather, he came into Baba's fold and he came to know about Baba. And then, yeah, I mean, they used to go and go for Baba's darshan. I remember one incident. That is when, because Baba used to love ghazals. So, once my grandfather sang a ghazal in front of Baba and Baba just stopped him in between. And Baba said, "Do you understand the meaning of the ghazal?" So my grandfather said, "No, Baba, I just sing it because you love to hear a ghazal." So then then Baba said, "Okay, wait." And then Baba explained the meaning of the entire ghazal. And then my grandfather sang the ghazal again. So his name was Keshav Nene. And my grandmother's name was Usha Nene. And her younger sister, she got married to Rustum Kaka from Ahmednagar. And his son, Manik Hatidaru, whom you all must be knowing, has been giving music to most of the songs at Ahmednagar Center. And they have been presenting those songs during 31st January. So, yeah, I mean, I was actually not prepared for this sharing thing, Merchan. So, whatever I
No
remember.
problem. I'll prompt you. Don't worry. You know, one thing I want to tell you is Manik is the who composed Adi Sachetana Arti,
Yes.
and
yes.
and Baba asked him to sing this song only after dropping of his body. So it was sang first time in first Amartiti. It was composed by Manik. And Rustum Kaka, who came into Baba's contact in 1925, means his great aunt's husband, Rustum Kaka, Kotiyar singer.
Actually,
That
there is
was
a
prompting
story.
is enough.
Yeah, yeah. There's a story of this Adi Sachetan Arti also, how Manik Hatidaru, he composed this tune. Baba had asked him to compose the tune, and several times he composed different tunes, but somehow Baba was not happy. And then finally, one fine day, Baba gave him the ultimatum that now if you don't sing, I mean, don't compose the tune for this Arti, then don't show your face to me. And that's how for the whole night, he struggled, and he was trying to compose the tune, but somehow he couldn't, and he got so exhausted. And finally, early morning, he just heard the exact tune, you know, he heard the exact tune, and that's how he just composed the rest of the tune. And next day when he came and just sang in front of Baba, Baba was very happy. But then, of course, ultimately, Baba reminded him that it was he who helped him ultimately to compose the tune. So that's the story. In short, I have given you the story. So that's how Adi Sachetana tune came into existence.